How to make money online in Nigeria 2026. Profit automation for busy professionals. Have you ever wondered why some Nigerian professionals are making money online every single day, even while they are at work, attending meetings, traveling, or spending time with their families, while many others are still struggling financially despite having degrees, experience, and valuable skills? What if I told you that in 2026, the biggest opportunity is no longer working harder, but creating systems that work for you automatically? And what if the knowledge and experience you already have could become an online asset that generates income for years to come? Today, I want to show you how to make money online in Nigeria in 2026 through profit automation, especially if you are a busy professional with limited time. Before we continue, please click the subscription button right now and turn on the notification bell. I release valuable videos regularly, and you don't want to miss the next one coming tomorrow. Also, if you have any questions at all while watching this video, drop them in the comments section. I personally read comments and I will not hesitate to answer your questions. Now let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes professionals make is believing that making money online requires them to sit in front of a computer all day. That is simply not true anymore. The internet has changed. Artificial intelligence has changed. Automation has changed. Today, smart professionals are creating systems that work around the clock. Instead of exchanging hours for money, they build assets that continue producing income even when they are busy doing other things. Think about it. A doctor has medical knowledge. A teacher has educational knowledge. An accountant has financial knowledge. An engineer has technical knowledge. A banker has business knowledge. A consultant has industry knowledge. The question is not whether you have knowledge. The real question is whether you know how to package that knowledge into an online asset. Many people spend years acquiring experience, yet they never monetize it properly. Meanwhile, someone else takes similar knowledge, packages it into a digital product, online training, consulting framework, automated system, or educational content, and starts earning online. This is where profit automation comes in. Profit automation simply means creating systems that help generate income automatically without your constant involvement. Instead of working harder, you work smarter. Instead of chasing customers every day, you create systems that attract customers. Instead of manually doing everything, you leverage technology and automation. That is why many professionals are beginning to realize that the future belongs to those who can turn their expertise into digital assets. Imagine creating something once and getting paid repeatedly. Imagine helping people solve problems while generating income at the same time. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing notifications of payments that came in while you were sleeping. That is the power of automation. Now, I know some people may be thinking, this sounds interesting, but where do I start? The good news is that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to become a computer programmer. You don't need years of technical training. You simply need the right system and proper guidance. That is why I strongly recommend that you click the webinar link in the video description below. Dr. Charles Idrims has put together a powerful webinar that explains exactly how profit automation works and how ordinary professionals can get started immediately. The webinar breaks down the process in a simple and practical way. It shows you how to identify opportunities, package your expertise, create online assets, and build automated income systems that can grow over time. If you are serious about changing your financial future, don't postpone it. Click the webinar link in the description below after watching this video and see how it is done step by step. Many people keep waiting for the perfect time. Unfortunately, the perfect time never comes. The people succeeding online today started before they felt ready. They started learning. They started implementing. They started taking action. And over time, their results improved. The truth is that opportunities in the digital economy are growing faster than ever before. Businesses need solutions. Individuals need solutions. Organizations need solutions. People are constantly searching online for answers to their problems. If your knowledge can help solve a problem, there is a potential opportunity for you. The biggest challenge is not lack of opportunity. The biggest challenge is lack of action. Too many professionals spend years consuming information but never implementing what they learn. They attend seminars. They watch videos. They read books. But they never take the next step. Don't make that mistake. Start learning how to transform your knowledge into a digital asset. Start learning how automation works. Start learning how successful professionals are building multiple streams of income online. Remember, your experience has value. Your skills have value. Your expertise has value. The question is whether you are positioning those assets properly. Another important resource I want you to get is my newly released ebook. Go to the video description below and download your copy of the PDF guide titled, Turn Your Knowledge, Experience and Professionalism into an Online Asset Through Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles. This guide was created to help professionals understand the principles behind transforming knowledge into profitable digital assets. Inside the guide, you will discover practical ideas, proven concepts, and valuable insights that can help you begin your journey toward online income generation. The information is simple, practical, and easy to understand. Whether you are a beginner or someone who has tried online business before, this guide can help you see opportunities you may have overlooked. As we conclude, I want you to remember one thing. The future belongs to people who know how to leverage technology, automation, and knowledge. The old model of working harder and harder is becoming less effective. The new model is creating assets, building systems, and leveraging automation. You already have knowledge. You already have experience. You already have professionalism. Now it is time to convert those valuable assets into opportunities that can generate income online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be among the first to watch the next video tomorrow. Also, leave your questions in the comments section below. I enjoy interacting with viewers, and I will not hesitate to answer your questions. Finally, click the webinar link by Dr. Charles Edrams in the description below and learn how to get started immediately after signing up. And don't forget to download your copy of the PDF guide, Turn Your Knowledge, Experience and Professionalism into an Online Asset Through Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you succeed in the world of profit automation and online business in 2026.